So there we have it, all glued together. Fits in, all slots together quite nicely and cleanly. Very, very strong structure, even though all of the individual pieces are fairly tiny, but it makes a very strong, solid structure. And I just got those two J pieces in, so they go around nicely. But as I said, this whole thing will actually be inside the fuselage, which is what we'll do next. So what I'm going to do, and this is what I'd encourage you to do too, is look ahead. So set that aside. I mean, it's super glue, so it's pretty dry. There's not really a drying time required, but what needs to happen next is to figure out what the next pieces are. And I would look ahead a few steps. So I'm going to do that. I'll look ahead a few steps, and then we'll build it.